In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an HTML website to Hostinger, a seamless process that involves just a few straightforward steps. Let's get started and guide you through this journey of bringing your website online. First, you'll need to log in to your Hostinger account. Once you're in, navigate to the hPanel dashboard. This is your command center, where you'll manage all the aspects of your hosting services. With a clean and user-friendly interface, the hPanel makes it easy to access the features you need. Now, let's move on to accessing the File Manager. Look for the Websites section on hPanel. Here you will find a list of all your domains. Identify the domain where you plan to upload your website. Click Manage next to your chosen domain, and you'll see an option for the File Manager. Give that a click, and you'll be directed to the area where all your website files will be housed. Once you're in the File Manager, locate a directory named Public Help HTML. This is a crucial step because the public HTML folder serves as the root directory. This is essentially the home for your website's files on the server. You'll double-click on this directory to open it. Keep in mind that any file placed outside this directory won't be accessible from the web. Now that you've reached the public HTML directory, it's time to upload your website files. You have two options here. If you want to upload individual files, click the Upload button at the top of the File Manager window. When the Upload dialog appears, select the option for Single File Upload. Browse your computer to find the HTML, CSS, JavaScript files, and any image folders you need. Once found, simply click Open, and the uploading process for each file begins. This approach is straightforward and easy for smaller websites or when you're updating a few files. For those dealing with multiple files, there's a more efficient method, uploading a zipped archive. This method is particularly useful if your website consists of numerous files and folders. First, compress all the files into a single .zip archive on your local computer. Once this is ready, head back to the File Manager, click that familiar Upload button, and choose the zipped file. After it is uploaded completely, right-click on the .zip file and select Extract to unfold its contents directly into the public HTML folder. This step ensures all your files are structured correctly and saves time, avoiding the hassle of uploading files one by one. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded your HTML website to Hostinger, ready for the world to see, whether you chose the individual file method or the zipped archive. Following these steps ensures your website is online and functioning as intended.